Hey guys, my name is Wesley Obi. I am the CEO and co-founder of Devspace, where we help you discover how myself tech journey today. So, I and the Devspace team built Devspace for tech aspirants like us to have a better fitting in the tech sector, to allow you to be able to build and personalize your tech journey without having the conventional issues that come with building a tech career. Devspace will provide you personalized build through a custom AI tool we built called Devi that matches who you are, your interests, and what you have going for you, and how you work best towards a custom AI career paths that can help you build. And we also provide you resources to help you in your tech journey so that you know how to get your footing in the tech sector and actually work towards what you wanted at the end of the day. We grade and we give you proofs of your learning process through verified badges and graded projects, with Devi helping you every step of the way. At Devspace, we are extremely passionate about making this work well for tech aspirants and allowing tech aspirants to be able to build consistently. You can find us at devspaceglobal.com. You can find us and send an email if you have any issues at devspaceglobal@gmail.com. You can find us on YouTube at Devspace Global. You can find us on LinkedIn at Devspace Global. At Devspace, our aim is to help tech aspirants build and solve real world problems. Thank you and have a lovely time with Devspace.
Devspace, your all-in-one platform for your tech journey.
Building Devspace. Guy, wait, what's your